Hello kids! Today we will learn colors name, alphabets and counting numbers. At first we will learn colors name. Say with me colors name. Red, pink, sky blue, violet, brown, green, orange, parrot green, blue, black, yellow. Write with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and G. Again say with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, and 0, 10, 1 and 1, 11, 1 and 2, 12, 1 and 3, 13, 1 and 4, 14, 1 and 5, 15. 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 7, 17. 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 9, 19. 2 and 0, 20. 2 and 1, 21. 2 and 2, 22. 2 and 3, 23. 2 and 4, 24. 2 and 5, 25. 2 and 6, 26. 2 and 7, 27. 2 and 8, 28. 2 and 9, 29. 3 and 0, 30. Subscribe for more video.